Hey, in this short video I'll show you how to use the video watcher. First I'll walk you through the hide my ass VPN settings. For real quick, you click here, this gear icon, to go to the settings. It's in Polish here, but I'll put the screenshots from the English version below, but you will get the idea because it's the same. It's a couple of boxes to check or uncheck. So general settings, you uncheck this box, uncheck, and that's it. Privacy, you activate the kill switch, and here from the drop down menu you choose custom. And if your video is like 5 minutes, you just add 1 minute, and just to give some time the software to work. And after that, so it watch your video every time with a fresh IP address, a fresh location. So if the video is 5 minutes, you just put here 6 minutes. Uncheck, connection. Automatically turn on the VPN. Click, you choose public, network, and advanced. Uncheck, and that's it. So it's turned off. I'll turn on the video watcher now. It's turning on, and we go to the tools, license. You need to put here your license ID and license key provided to you via email. You click OK. Here you put your URL and keyword in this format. So in this case we'll just take this video URL, and as the keyword we'll use weight loss. Total hits, it's whatever you want the software, how many times you want the software to watch your video. One more thing, it's very important. You just need to enable Chrome here in the browser settings. Minimum view time is how long you want the software to watch your video. So if you need to put it in seconds. So if the video is 4 minutes 30 seconds, so it's gonna be 270 seconds. Sorry. So we put here, let's say 260. Minimum and maximum we can put like 300 or 296, and we just click run. The software gonna ask if we wanted to randomize the URLs, because usually you can use here more URLs, and I do this. So you click yes. It's loading the commands. It's gonna validate the license. It's gonna take a moment. And regarding the other options, you just don't need to use them. If you want, you can like use with proxies, but it's more expensive, and the idea of this tool is to be not very expensive. So the VPN will provide you everything you need in this case. It says please activate your VPN and press OK. So I'm activating the VPN, and when it's activated I hit OK, and the software gonna start working here, and we can now leave it, and it's gonna be working. We can turn off. We can work on the computer if you want with the VPN. You can turn off turn off the system audio if you want, because because the video is gonna be watched by the software on your computer. So the audio of the video is gonna be hearable. and pretty much that's it. I usually just leave the computer and go to sleep, or go to the bathroom, or use another computer. It's even good to have another computer just for the software, and at the very time of this recording I use the software on my other computer, on my laptop. And pretty much that's it. And you can use this software on many computers at the same time, so you can change the Hide My Ass location. There's one important thing. Before you start using the video watcher, you just need to log out of your Google account. You can do this by logging out of your YouTube or Gmail, and everything gonna be logged out. And when you're logged out, you just close the Chrome, and now you can use the video watcher. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them via email, support@myiamplace.com, or contact me on Facebook via our fan page, or you can ask questions inside of our group. So I wish you a lot of success in your business, and see you another one. Cheers.